Welcome to our guide on how to enable automatically sharing a story on Facebook to Instagram Story. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story located on the left side of the screen to start creating your story. Step 3. Capture a new photo or video using your device's camera, or select one from your gallery to use as the content for your story. Step 4. After selecting or capturing your content, you have the option to customize it by adding text, stickers, or other effects to enhance your story. Step 5. Once you're content with your story, tap on Privacy at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 6. Scroll to the bottom and find the option for Always Share to Instagram. Toggle this option on to enable automatic sharing of your Facebook story to your Instagram story. By following these steps, you can set up your Facebook story to be automatically shared to your Instagram story, streamlining your content sharing across platforms. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to enable automatic sharing of your Facebook story to Instagram story. Enjoy seamlessly sharing your stories with your audience on both platforms.